minus p star. What is this difference? Okay, let me write this and say what is the difference. Is greater than or equal to minus eta times 1 minus lambda eta divided by 2 square, right? You agree with this? So what is f of xt plus 1 minus p star? So let's look at it in terms of picture. Okay, suppose your xt plus 1 is here, right? This is where you are now. Now f of xt plus 1 is this, right? So this will be f of xt plus 1. What is p star? P star is basically a x star, right? This is your p star. So f of xt plus 1 minus p star is your gap, right? In fact, when you are doing, let's say, some machine learning task wherein you are figuring out what the neural network is, you will be doing some updates, right? Gradient updates. So that means each time you do gradient update, you are getting a new neural network, right? So after t plus 1 step, you will get a new neural network. Let me call that as xt plus 1, right? Now, if you look at the loss for that particular neural network minus the best loss, that's the gap, right? So this is the gap that we are looking at. We are saying the gap is greater than or equal to something, right? That's what we are trying to say here. Did I write everything properly? Let me just, okay. Okay, so now we have f of xt plus 1 minus p star is greater than or equal to minus eta times 1 minus lambda eta by 2, the gradient of this square. Okay, now I'll choose eta appropriately. How should I choose eta? What do you think is eta? How should I choose eta? It should be, basically this gives you a hint, right? If I choose eta as 1 by, let's say 1 by lambda, lambda cancels. 2, instead of 2 by lambda, I'll do 1 by lambda. So eta will be basically 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Eta is 1 by lambda. So it will be 1 by 2 lambda, right? So I can write such an inequality. Okay. Okay, so now I think I made a mistake here somewhere. Let me go back to the previous. So let's. Okay, so this is correct. xt plus 1 minus xt is minus eta. This is also correct. Okay, so just give me a second. I have to fix this. There is some issue. Okay, so let me tell you what is the issue. The issue is essentially I have to say if the gradient is small, then the gap is also small, right? This is very intuitive, right? So for example, is this, yeah, the other one. So if the gradient is small, which is true here, then this gap is also small. That's what I have to say, right? Let me probably rewrite this in a slightly different fashion. So let's say I'll just rederive this. You take any point in the domain of the function. Okay, so now I can write this, right? F of I is greater than or equal to f of x plus